Edmonton's finest.
Working hard for your trade. Bespoke web design. Let's get to work. You're out on the site, tools in your hand, running the crew, sticking to the plan. But when the phone's quiet and the leads are thin, you need a partner to help you win. We run the engine while you build the frame, putting your shop at the top of the game. Streamline smooth on autopilot mode, taking the weight right off of your road. Bespoke web design, where the trade's best friend. Real results that you can depend. Dominate your market, claim your space. Edmonton's #1, all over the place. Bespoke web design, we build you grow. Bespoke web design. Plumbers, roofers, HVAC too. We know the language that's spoken by you. No cookie cutter, no template mess, just high octane digital business success. Bespoke web design, where the trade's best friend. Real results that you can depend. Dominate your market, claim your space. Edmonton's #1, all over the place. Bespoke web design, we build you grow. Bespoke web design. Branding, SEO, the social stream, we're the tactical muscle behind your team. More effective, faster, at a price that fits. Cutting through noise to deliver the hits. Bespoke web design, where the trade's best friend. Real results that you can depend. Dominate your market, claim your space. Edmonton's #1, all over the place. Bespoke web design, we build you grow. Bespoke web design, feel the work done right. Web design, custom built for your side. Bespoke web design.